Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison, and I've been in France for 3 weeks now, and I just need to kind of fill you guys in on this hiatus that I've been on. There hasn't really been much content. I did that pre-recorded BMW timing chain video. Otherwise, I am here in France at KEDGE Business School studying abroad in an international business program through my college, UNCW. So let's just do like a little room tour. We might swing by the BMW dealership later today. So I'll just fill you guys in on kind of my life the past couple weeks. So we are staying at the Residhotel Le Grand Prado. Probably just butchered that name, but it's kind of an extended stay hotel here in Marseille, France. As you can see, we do have a little kitchenette over here with fridge, cooktop. We do have a microwave up top, as well as a coffee maker and such like that. But I do have a roommate, one of my friends, Jimmy. If you guys did see the cruise hatch that was on the Instagram, that was his. It is a split bath, so you do have your bathroom right here with a tub and shower up top, and then sink, and then you do have your restroom right here. It's not quite the Ritz, it's not the W, but it gets the job done. We do have AC, which in France that can be a rarity. So for us it's been working well, for other people sometimes not so much, it's been spotty, but thankfully, knock on wood, it's been pretty reliable. The kitchenette, we do have a little table, desk right there. All French television. I've yet to track down an English channel, but maybe I'm just not searching hard enough. And you do have your 2 twin beds right here. Housekeeping is twice a week, and they're stingy on towels, so don't be taking your towel to the beach. We do have a little balcony out here as well that we can check out, like a bistro table, as well as a drying rack for laundry. The laundromat is right over there, so you do have a little far walk for laundry, and it's about €5 to wash and dry. Area square, I guess you could say. It's pretty close to a metro stop and stuff like that, so it's centrally located and easy to get around. But that's about it for where we're staying. I guess I'll check back in if we head over to BMW. So we just got off the metro. We're walking towards Station7 BMW right now. As far as the cars go here in France, there really hasn't been that crazy of stuff. Besides Monaco, we went to Monaco and enjoyed this clip of a Nissan Rogue getting demoted off the valet line due to a Bugatti coming in. But other than Monaco, the cars haven't really been that crazy. It's just a whole lot of German, so you obviously have like E and S class taxis and stuff like that. A couple of Teslas, stuff like that. Nothing too major. But we're coming up on the dealership now. So Station7 BMW definitely gets approval from me, Jimmy.
It was very nice.
They had like a dedicated Alpina section, so they had an Alpina 5, an Alpina X3, and then 2 3 Series, a 3 Series Touring, and then like a 3 Series sedan. And then they had like a dedicated like little booth for M cars. It was cool. I'll throw in some clips, but it wasn't really jaw-dropping. It was just a large showroom. They had basically every model in there except an X7. But yeah, no, it gets approval from me. Okay, editing Garrison here. I never officially ended this video. So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. If not, leave a comment down below telling me why you didn't, and I'll probably delete it later. Anyways, I also did like a compilation, like a 1-second everyday video, and I'll just put that behind this. Feel free to watch. It's not much substance, but it is still kind of cool to watch. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Sweet.
not what you want to come.
Swimming back.
Pet lover.